Okay, I finally found a video that explains how to use the CSV in my designs, at least somewhat. So let's take a look. This is about 21, I guess a little bit more than 20 minutes in on this video. My designs make it easy to monetize generative AI with print on demand with Ryan Hogue, passive income.
I honestly thought it was perhaps even like the optimal approach.
Yeah, I think it is, because if you have really high quality mock-ups on your listing, and like you say, if someone like a customer's browsing the search page on Etsy, they hover over your listing, then they'll be able to like rotate through those mock-ups in a really subtle and clean way, so they can see it and then hopefully pull them into the listing itself to purchase the product. And we're going to build a bunch of other types of templates that have different transition effects, but this is just a start. So I'm going to touch on the CSV import, because if you're a Merchandise automation user and you're uploading hundreds, if not thousands, of products a day to Merch by Amazon using Merchandise automation, it's not just Merchandise automation, but it's a good example. You can just basically import your CSV files right into MyDesigns now, up to 2,000 at a time.
We'll call it the old school way, right?
Yeah, the old school way. And a lot of people prefer to set up their data in Excel or Google Sheets, and then that's really nice because it's super powerful, super easy if you're good at it, and very advanced, like what you can do there. But in this case, let me go up to the parent folder. So really just have a parent folder, and this is MD demo. And I have my designs in here. I have like a care card essentially, just kind of show an example of importing 2 files at once. You can do videos too, but I'll to keep this simple. So in the Excel spreadsheet, this CSV spreadsheet, basically just link your file. So this is my primary design.
I'm recording.
And then link the photo card file, and then I just input my data here. And you can map any of these fields. So whatever your collection field that you have from the collection of MyDesigns in the template, you can map all this data properly, however you want.
And the photo card file is just extra, just to show that you can pair it with another image, right?
Yeah, exactly. So this isn't a good example for like real listings, but to show the CSV import, I think it's perfect. So
the average person watching probably won't do this, but I'm just, you know what I mean? Not to, because everything you've shown so far is like real easy, intuitive, easy to follow. This part, I'm not saying it's not great. I'm just saying that like anybody on the outside looking in that's like, oh no, now I need to learn Excel. It's like, no, you don't have to learn Excel. This is an alternative.
Yeah, you can just drag and drop designs into a collection. That's the easy way. Yeah. And then just set up the data. But if you're more of a power seller and you want to do bulk listings and upload them into MyDesigns, generate mockups in bulk, etc., this will save you a ton of time. So basically, I just selected that folder that contained the CSV file and the designs, and then I'm going to choose the CSV file I want, because there's 2 in there. And you can map the files here to the file slots in this collection. Titles, descriptions, tags, you can map all these fields. And then I'll go primary and secondary keyword, and then just get a preview basically of your CSV spreadsheet. So I'll just hit upload, and now that'll go through and import all these designs.
So it's literally uploading from his computer.
Yeah. Each listing is going to have 2 photos, 2 images. And of course, again, if you had videos, you're going to place it wherever. This is another way if you want to just create it in Excel and import it this way. There's a lot of possibilities with it. But it is a little more advanced. It's more for power sellers that have a lot of listings they want to sell.
Can you import into, like, if you did have like videos that you just made and place it for existing, like, I don't know, like listings in MyDesigns, like, would that work? Can you tie them to existing, or only if you create new?
If you download the file and just put it in the folder and then map it, just like you, when I say map, copy the file path, then yeah, you can import it that way. Or if you have like a generic video.
Would it create new listings though in MyDesigns, or is it possible to like you have these right now? Can you then use like a CSV import to add video to this?
Not yet. That's coming though. That'll be the next version of CSV import. Is you could just export, for instance, this collection, and then just add that video file path, and then import it, re-import it.
Got you. Just curious.
But yeah, in this example, right, you have in 2 images assigned to this one listing, or all these listings. And the last thing is the data. So all the data is mapped to the fields. So you get
perfect for me, who's been using my Merchandise automation since like 2019. You know what I mean? If I wanted to bring in everything and just use it as is, like, no brainer.
Yep, exactly.
Flying upload.
So this is still generating videos. They are kind of slow. We're hoping we can speed that up soon. Looks like almost half of them are done. But while we wait, go to Dream AI.
We forgive you. I'd rather have slow video than no video.
Yeah, I agree. That's pretty nice. I probably should have pre-generated some of those, but let's see. This is actually kind of cool. I'm gonna like.
Could this be like coloring books in KDP? I haven't actually experimented with this.
Technically, yeah. So line art is really good for creating illustrations and stuff.
Anyways,
like
I
that.
need to figure out if after they talk about the AI.
Let's see if this does any good.
Oh, here it is.
Let's try another one while we wait.
Oh wait, maybe not.
Maybe I should change this back to base. Yeah.
If you told it just out of curiosity, like prompted it to only use black and white or something like that, would it?
It does a pretty good job. It's not perfect, but yeah, in a lot of cases, it'll follow your prompt pretty closely.
Nice.
So I'm trying to get it to do text. So it's actually getting, in some cases, you'll get some really good ones where it will generate text